Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka court admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
UCP Marang ubadai u Ophisar Indian Forest Service bala Shongthait ulabam Smai kum uchairman ubalai jongka Meghalaya Lokayukta haka laipoterek ujemang arajar arpusan. Ya umarak la penbam Smai de ulat kejala UCH Vijaya Shankar haka jialang kebalalong ha Raj Bhavan Shillong da ka jingya sakilang jong u Chief Secretary kejala uba DP Walang ki Ophisar ka Sorkar jala bat ki bahi yang hasem jong UCP Marang.
I, Sri Cabaret P. Marak, retired IFS, having been appointed chairperson of the Lokayukta, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will.